Okay, this is a follow-up to my last video where I showed this very simple AC induction motor. And I mentioned in the video that I was very disappointed with the amount of power that it took to turn that metal jar lid. And that I could probably do it just as well, or not better, with a tiny solar panel operated by ambient light. And there it is, folks. And this is a DC pulse motor. And the drive unit is out of one of those Lucky Money Cats, solar-powered Lucky Money Cats. And Min's Man 1, this video is kind of for you. And that's the same driver going way back out of that Lucky Money Cat, just like the one you built. But anyway, yeah, this AC induction motor, it was interesting to study it. And there's the diagram if you want to look at it, freeze frame this and see how that was set up. I changed it around a little bit based on what I had, the parts I had, and this was right out of that last video. It was a 117 volt transformer, and it was actually 24 volts coming out of it using an inverter hooked up to a DC 12 volt battery. And disappointing for the amount of power. It was 12 watts to make that thing turn around. Not as fast as that. And like I say, that's being powered by ambient light. If you look at the clock up here, it's 6:10 in Southern California, and it's late afternoon. The sun's going down on the other side of the house. And like I say, this is ambient solar energy powered right now. There's no extra lamp or anything in here. And it's turning that Smucker's jar lid better than 12 watts of energy put into that thing there. Granted, it was a very poor design and all that, and you would do much better if you had better design. But this is why I'm so excited about these pulse motors. These DC pulse motors that spit out a little tiny bit of energy just at the right time and get the job done. And anyway, that's I just want to show you that. This is the rotor here, and it's just a metal Smucker's jar lid. There's a little bit of tape to balance it out, and I just stuck some magnets on the rim of it, and then there's a little dimple in there, and then this is just a needle here. Let's see if I can get this to go again here. This usually self-starts. I'll give it a little help. I'm going to need more help than that. There it goes. Very poor rotor design, actually. This was Christine's AC induction motor design rotor. She used a Smucker's jar lid, and it does work pretty good. And for a low-powered mass in motion, it does work. But anyway, this was kind of follow-up to this AC induction motor, and like I say, it was quite disappointing at the hobby level to build something that took that much power to do the same job that something that just had a little tiny solar panel could do. Thanks for watching.